North America's projected global pharmaceutical revenue for 2016 is $371 billion. What's fueling that profit is their intangible assets. They're often tax-exempt assets. They're patents. 20 years ago, pharmaceutical companies commanded entire towns in Puerto Rico. By the year 2000, 77 had set up shop. The coastal community of Barceloneta became known as Ciudad Viagra. It churned out 100 million little blue pills every year. By 2004, 19 of the world's top 25 prescription drugs were manufactured on the island. For Big Pharma, it was a boom. Companies could repatriate their profits to the US mainland to avoid corporate taxes. Their valuable patents generated tax-free income, and they could truthfully say their products were made in the USA. This was all thanks to the Industrial Incentive Act of 1948, which freed firms from paying various local fees, paving the way for Puerto Rico to become a tax haven, allowing entities to hide assets and avoid or reduce their taxes. Section 936 of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code effectively gave U.S. corporations operating in Puerto Rico a full tax exemption. By 1994, the U.S. Government Accountability Office admitted Section 936 was costing the federal government $3.9 billion a year. Congress gradually phased the clause out, sacrificing thousands of Puerto Rican jobs in the process. But today, Big Pharma can still root profits through new safe harbors, intact and untaxed. Congress didn't close the loophole so much as shift them. An analysis of the public disclosures of 13 pharmaceutical companies show they ducked paying approximately $140 billion in taxes by holding more than $405 billion of their income offshore. The true cost of developing drugs is intentionally opaque, but it's the intangible assets, the patents, that Big Pharma relies on. The alleged cost of a patent is frequently mispriced and inflated, and in reality, they are financed, subsidized, and developed by public institutions whose funding companies hide in their spreadsheets. And the massive profits? They hide them in Puerto Rico.